Some days feel a little louder than others. Not necessarily bad, just a lot. And when the energy around you feels a little chaotic, a little off, a little not yours, you still have to find a way to move through your day with intention. So, today we're keeping things simple, a realistic clean with me, a few small resets, and just doing what we can with what we've got. If you're new here, my name is Rita Slanina. I'm an actress, author, lifestyle content creator, and your shopping bestie over on Amazon Live. We like to do all things homemaking over here: cooking, cleaning, decorating, and even some DIY projects. We have a little bit of chaos with chickens as well. And if that's something you enjoy and love doing, please subscribe and like the channel. We always love having new family come aboard. We're starting here in the office this morning, just doing a quick reset before the day really gets going. And while I'm in here, I just want to give you a little update on Dorothy. She's actually doing so much better. And oh my gosh, you guys, it's such a relief. It's been one of those situations where you don't realize how much something is weighing on you until you finally feel a little bit of that weight lift. So we're still keeping an eye on her. Her prolapse is still there, but it is diminished significantly. So it looks so much better. But we're taking, I'm keeping an eye on her and taking it day by day. And for now, we'll just see how it goes and take the small wins. Honestly, I think it's kind of the theme lately. I got to be honest, just focusing on what is working, even if everything else feels a little sideways. So I'm going to light a candle today. I don't know what it is about lighting a candle, but it just instantly makes everything feel calmer and more intentional. Kind of like we got our act together, even if we absolutely do not. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10, life-changing, revolutionary. Nothing says official reset ceremony more in my house than moving furniture around and rugs. So I think I want to move this rug to the seating area in the great room under the table. It's starting to get warmer in the daytime, and having the rug in the office just seems to warm it up a little bit more than I'd like. So I just want to kind of refresh the space a little bit here and move this around. Now, I don't know if I'm going to keep it in the other room. We'll see. Um, I'll show you guys a little bit later where I end up putting it. But yeah, I don't know. For now, I just want to kind of move it, and I felt like I really needed to refresh in this room. I haven't really done that, it seems like, for a little bit. So tell me in the comments below when you guys are spring cleaning and in the mood to sort of just refresh your space because you see what's working, you see what's not. What's the first thing that will grab your attention and you're like, I have to tackle this? Put it in the comments below. I want to hear from you. Okay, I need to take a quick break and eat something. So I gave that recording studio a quick sweep, nothing fancy. It's one of those spaces that can get out of hand really fast if I ignore it. So even a quick pass like that made a huge difference in there. Um, but not perfection today, just progress, my friends. But anyway, it has been way too long since I have made this fresh carrot juice. I used to make this every single day for years, and then one day I just stopped. I don't know why. No explanation, no reason. I don't know, just life doing what it does, I guess. But I've really been wanting to bring this back into my routine. I always felt a little bit healthier when I did this. Today I'm mixing it with some citrus, which gives it a nice little punch. I originally learned this through Charlotte Gerson and the whole Gerson Therapy approach, and whether you follow that fully or not, the benefits of fresh juice like this are just undeniable. It's simple, it's nourishing, and honestly, it just makes you feel like you're doing something really good for yourself, which, hello, we love that energy. And of course, we're going to clean as we go, friends. This is one of those habits that has saved me every single time. I don't spend all day in the kitchen. I don't spend all day cleaning the kitchen. I don't spend all day staring at a mess that won't go away in the kitchen because nothing is worse than finishing cooking, turning around, and being personally attacked by your kitchen. So, even on busy days, even on chaotic days, this little reset right here makes everything feel a bit more manageable. It's sort of like touch once, clean as you go, two philosophies in one for me. Cleaning as you go, that's pretty obvious, right? If you're touching it, you're using it, you clean it right when you're done with it. Boom. But this also goes with the touch once theory that I like to use as well when I'm cleaning the rest of the house or I'm using things throughout the house throughout the day. I've touched this juicer. I need to clean this juicer. And if I'm really feeling it, I'm going to put this juicer away at the same time. I've touched it once, it's already gone, and I don't have to deal with it until next time I pull it out. Tell me in the comments below, what is your little sneaky tricks or tips for staying on top of the kitchen in particular? I want to hear from you, and I'm open to any suggestions, always trying to find a better tweak if there is one. Okay, I thought it'd be good to get outside, hang out with the chickens a little bit. Um, they're kind of hustling me for some grapevine leaves. We don't have any grapes yet, but we do have the leaves in full bloom. They look beautiful. Um, but I got these bird deflectors for like flying birds apparently, and I want to see how they work. And they're pretty easy to put together, so that I would play with that as well while I'm out here. And this is always my favorite part of the day. I've mentioned this before. No matter what's going on, no matter how chaotic things feel, how out of control, beyond your control, things might be as well. This right here slows everything down. They don't care about your to-do list, your stress, your schedule. They're just out here living their best little chicken lives, like quack quack. And honestly, that's the kind of energy I'm trying to match right here. I just want to enjoy this moment. Okay, so I know I just swapped out this cover for the white cover on the sofa, but I kind of want to give it more of a spring vibe. So we're gonna do this pink one that I got. Plus it matches the rug. How cute. To wrap up the day today, I'm just starting on painting this front door. It's one of those smaller projects that I've been meaning to get to, and today just felt, I don't know, like the right day to finally start it. We're not going to finish it in today's video, but honestly, it kind of feels fitting, to be fair, because not every day wraps up in a perfect little bow, and some days are just about showing up, doing what you can against all odds, right? And leaving things a little better than you found them. Even when the energy around you can feel off, you can still create calm within that. And that's all I wanted to show you today, that it's possible. And you know what? Today, that was more than enough. Okay, guys, I wanted to, before I let you go today, share with you how the rug came out over here. What are your thoughts on this? It feels a little much to me. I don't know if I like it. I did put this up as well. I don't know if I like that there either. It just, some doesn't feel right. Whatever you guys think, I'm open to suggestions in the comments below. I think we'll put a quiz on today's video too, and get like, take a quiz and see what everyone thinks about the rug. Anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing week. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you're able to get some things done today. And you know what? Just a little reminder, don't let anyone tell you you are not a good homemaker, because you are. You're an amazing homemaker, and you are a wonderful, wonderful person. And don't let anyone tell you different, or they'll have to deal with me. Okay.